Bonsoir everyone, you see Akulaku. Scratch that. My name is Daniel and I am in Akulaku, Togo for a 2 days visitation and consultation. The client reached out to me and said, Daniel, I have a farm in Togo and I want you to come and check what we have and also the plan that we have in expanding into fish farming. They currently have a poultry pen here that I've come to check and see what they've been up to. I've been here since yesterday and I've seen what they have. They have 2,500 beds and currently they are doing very well because they are turning out like 72% in production every day in the poultry section. But there is a lot of error when it comes to construction that the person that built this had done. A lot of things that we will correct, but basically it's going to be in process. They are using a deep litter poultry system and they are looking into transitioning into the cage system of poultry farming here on the farm, and also will be doing and introducing catfish farming to the farm. The quantity that is going to be done has not been decided yet. I've made notes and also going to be drawing up my conclusion on what the errors that have been there. Come with me, let's go into the poultry pen and see for ourselves what they've been doing. And to be sincere, I'm very impressed with what they've done. To surprise you, that they are producing their own feed. They are not buying feed from outside. They are producing the feed 100% on the farm. The machine is in the feed store, which I'm going to take you. So let's go into the poultry pen and see how the birds are doing. I'm doing the normal biosecurity measures before I enter. And here are layers. So like I said, it's a deep litter system. We'll be picking up the eggs. We are done picking up the eggs for this pen, then we'll go to the next thing. Yeah, the second pen. You can see that this is trying to lay. We're going to the last pen now. This is the last pen. Yeah, it's heated here, and this is one of the mistakes that they made in the construction, which we're going to try and correct. You can see there is only one way from where ventilation is coming. This place is fenced up, the wall is up that way as well, so no ventilation at all that is coming here, but they're still doing very well. Now because it's the rainy season, the heat is not that much. When the rain is gone, you can see how I'm sweating. Definitely not going to be like this. You can see from my back how the birds are in the third pen. They have 3 pens here and 4 deep litter system. Like I used to say, if you want to do something like this, wherever you are in the world and you want us to visit, just reach out to me. The number showing on the screen, you can send me an email or we'll come to your farm and even construct your farm. Just send us a note. It's my second time in Togo. First it was in Lomé and now I'm in Akulaku. Je m'appelle Daniel de Agricfy.